Introducing the XL heavy duty steel Sawhorses, which is crafted for precision and built for strength. This is a game changer for the professionals and the DIYers. These Sawhorses are made of high grade steel which are powder coated, which prevents corrosion and withstands rigorous environments. With their fast open mechanism, setting up is very straightforward. So let me show you. All you have to do is just hold that button down, raise this up, place that, lock this, do obviously the same on the other side, raising this leg, and then there you go, you've got it in locked. These Sawhorses have proved themselves right by achieving 5-star reviews from the professionals. When we say heavy duty, guys, we mean it. So let it be Amazon, Trustpilot, eBay, you name it, you guys are showing tremendous love to these Sawhorses. Guys, we've seen the fantastic jobs from the photos that you guys have done by using these XL steel Sawhorses. Telescopic legs allow you to adjust each one individually with 8 height settings for any unevenness on the ground. As you can see, I'm not really standing on a flat surface, I'm standing on a bit of a hill. However, my Sawhorses and my workstation is straight at 90 degrees. One of the biggest advantages of the Sawhorses is that you can turn them into a portable workbench or a table by simply adding these timber lengths into the timber hooks. Also guys, you take this MDF sheet and you put it on the table and then you're ready to go. For example, you can even put a miter saw on it, cut anything that you need, as it can take a maximum load of 1,178 kilograms, which is crazy. The Sawhorse has an easy carry handle, which makes it very easy to lift, so you can take it anywhere you like very easily from A to B. It also comes with these material support pegs which allow upright storage of materials easily. The legs fold neatly into the top rail, which is easily stored in the back of a van and you can take them anywhere. So guys, these Sawhorses are great value for your money. These are selling for £89 including VAT. So check them out yourself on toolsoftrade.co.uk.